Okay, I've been having my problem with a 2015 Tesla Model S. My left side will lose power, and I'm noticing this. As I move the door just past this position, there, I lose the power. There, now it comes back on. Right there, lose the power. None of the controls work. Come back right here. Everything works. I've taken the door panel off twice, replaced the BCM. It didn't work at all. I think there's a problem with the wiring harness. Anybody else experience this? Okay, I've been trying to fix the door problem. I've been intermittently losing power. And what I've seen is that if I open the door to a certain point, everything shuts off power-wise, which has led me to the wiring harness. Now, I did notice the wiring harness is attached, or was attached, right there. And when I opened the door at that extreme rate, it was causing a lot of stress inside here. So, short of replacing the wiring harness just yet and getting inside there, I've clipped it off there to allow some freedom of movement. And let's see what this does when I reassemble everything. All right, everything's back together. Didn't replace anything, just released the tension on the wiring harness. Everything works again. Let's try and doors should open. All right. All right.